Hello everyone, welcome back to Bike Hub. Today we've got something very special, the brand new 2026 Triumph Speed Triple 1200 RX. A limited edition naked roadster packed with premium tech and race-ready specification. Let's dive in. Introduction and positioning. Triumph has taken their acclaimed Speed Triple lineup and turned up the dial. This RX version is built to blur the line between Streetfighter and track weapon. Limited to just 1,200 units worldwide, it's the top tier of the Speed Triple family. For the Bike Hub audience, that means exclusivity, performance and the kind of specification that gets hearts racing. Engine and performance. Under the sculpted tank lies a familiar but ferociously tuned engine, a 1,160cc inline-3 DOHC unit. It's claimed to produce around 180.5 horsepower at 10,750 revolutions per minute and roughly 94.4 pound-feet of torque, approximately equals 128 Newton-meters at about 8,750 revolutions per minute. What that means in real-world terms: sharp throttle response, big mid to top-end rush, that triple-cylinder soundtrack that's one of Triumph's signatures. The 6-speed gearbox includes a quickshifter, slip assist clutch and chain final drive. Put together, you've got serious performance in naked form. 3. Chassis, suspension and brakes. What really elevates the RX is how much premium hardware is onboard. The chassis uses an aluminium twin spar frame and a single-sided swingarm. On the suspension front, fully adjustable Öhlins semi-active components, Smart EC3 for both forks and rear shock. Brakes are top shelf too, twin 320mm discs up front with Brembo-style monoblock calipers, and full cornering ABS and traction control systems integrated. What this adds up to: superb handling and braking capability, which means the RX doesn't just look the part, it rides the part. 4. Design, ergonomics and exclusivity. Visually the RX stands out. The styling is aggressive, sharpened by clip-on handlebars and rear sets that give a more forward, track-biased riding position compared to the standard Speed Triple. Carbon fiber elements, Akrapovic titanium exhaust reducing weight and enhancing sound, and a distinctive color scheme, typically Triumph Performance Yellow with RX graphics. And remember, just 1,200 units worldwide. That exclusivity will appeal to serious riders and collectors alike. 5. Tech and electronics. Modern naked bikes aren't just about raw power anymore, the RX shows how far the segment has come. You get a full-color 5 inches TFT display, ride modes, rain, road, sport, track, rider cornering ABS, front wheel lift control, brake slide assist, and shift assist. Keyless ignition, a lithium-ion battery to reduce weight, and premium Pirelli Diablo Supercorsa SP tires as standard. All of this combines for a very refined, highly specified package. 6. Weight, riding experience and market take. In terms of weight, the RX claims a wet weight of around 199 kilograms, approximately equals 438 pounds, which is impressive for a leader-class naked bike with this level of gear. What that means when you're out riding: agile feel, responsive dynamics, the ability to hustle on backroads or even a track day. The semi-active suspension and electronics mean you'll feel confidence climbing into corners, braking hard and shifting through gears. From a market perspective, at a price around US $21,495 with local variances, it undercuts some rivals offering similar performance but less exclusivity. Why Bike Hub audience should care. For the Bike Hub community, passionate riders, tech-savvy enthusiasts and track day racers, the Speed Triple 1200 RX ticks a lot of boxes. Big power, thrilling triple-cylinder soundtrack, premium suspension and braking hardware, high-end electronics plus street plus track capability. Limited edition nature makes it a potential future classic. If you're looking for a naked bike that stands out and drives hard, this is one to keep an eye on. Wrap up and call to action. So that's the 2026 Triumph Speed Triple 1200 RX, a mix of blind performance, refined tech and bold styling in a limited edition package. For our viewers in Pakistan, if you're importing or watching global availability, this bike is definitely something special. If you like this overview, hit the like button, subscribe to Bike Hub for more bike reviews, previews and ride impressions, and leave us a comment. What would you want to test first on this monster? Handling, sound, street versus track. Thanks for watching and we'll see you on the next ride.